All right, now we've got the Dovaman electric tiller here. We're gonna put it together. Got a little accessory kit here. Got a warranty card. Got a wrench. That in there. This right here, we're gonna screw one of these on. Take another one of these. Got here. Pretty simple. Slide this in here. On there. That on there. That on here. Put a nut on it. We got a cap. Like that. We're supposed to have a cable clamp, but I have not seen them. Found them. I found them. They were in the box. So it's got a place right here to go on the bar, and this right here is where your cable will be at. Simple. Put this one up here. Out of the way, like that. Nice. All right, let's give this thing a what for and try her out. Let's take a minute and talk about extension cords. It's got a little chart in here. The only thing we need to really worry about is this one right here, 12 to 16 amps. This tiller is a 15 amp tiller. It says to use on a 25-foot extension cord, 14 gauge. And 50 foot, use a 12 gauge. We have a 12 gauge extension cord right here. It's not recommended to do 100 foot or 150 foot. And the thing about the extension cord is if you use a light gauge extension cord like a 16 gauge, it will overheat the motor, and that's on anything like an air compressor. I've got a Ryobi tiller. It's the same thing. You want to use a heavy gauge extension cord. For video purposes, we're just over here in the corner of my yard. You want to take your extension cord and loop it like this. There's a hole right here. You want to slide it up through this hole, and then you want to hook it on this hook right here and then pull it. Now you're good to go ahead and plug this up. Right here on the side is a button. You want to push that button in, then you can pull the trigger. I don't know really what we have right here in this part of my yard. This is just part of my yard that doesn't really matter. I'm just doing this for video purposes. Wow, look at that. Look at that soil right there. How, my goodness. That is so loose right there. I had no idea what to expect on this corner of my yard back here. I've never dug anything up. I figured it'd be hard as a rock. But that thing that thing right there did pretty good how fast it went into the ground like it did. Hey, I like that. That's pretty good. I think that's better than my rhodopy tiller I got. Heck yeah. Look at that. That's good right there. Can't beat that. All right.